Hey, what is up everyone? So for today I have a very special package which we're about to unbox right now, so let's get to it. Ooh, if you guys can't tell yet, let's see if this is a little good secret. Ooh, these are big. Maybe this might help you guys see what this is. Alright, there it is. Ooh. This is... oh, it's heavy. Ugh. This is the new intercooler for the 135i. Ooh. This thing is big. It is the 7-inch intercooler. Nice. It seems like it's painted as well, which is beautiful. Nothing else in here. Got some hardware. Let's get this baby in. We have the car up. Got my T25, but the first things first, to remove these guys right here. I don't know why it's so disgusting like that, but that is concerning. Feels like it might be new coolant, but the coolant I have is blue and that's green, so I don't know. Okay. That should be out. Then there's two T25s, and I should actually be smart about this, where I'm gonna get my jack and put the jack on here and then lower it from there. We should be fine from there. Also, let's not forget to take these off, which are just twisting off. Let's get this guy, get its teeth sunk into this guy right here, and then we should be good to go. Okay, perfect. Now that is resting on there, we can go ahead and start to remove all these guys, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So we dropped this little tiny one down there. Let me just pick this guy up. Oh! And look at that huge size difference. Since I got new piping, technically this hose clamp here has to come off from the old charge pipe, and then we can continue on from there. I really don't know what this is. I really wish I knew, but I don't know if you can tell, but there is some oil residue in here, so I have a lot of blow-by going on. But now it's time to put in the new hose, which should just kind of come in here. Maybe I'll go from the bottom up. Top to bottom it is, because apparently you can't go from the bottom up. Oh, damn it. So wiggle it around.
I was starting with the dropouts.
So big girth. Very good, very good.
And it's gonna be a bitch to get inside. Okay, so this guy here is one of the most difficult things, because I've looked online everywhere. Someone said to pry this piece here. There's no video of it, but basically you take the thinnest flathead screwdriver you can find. So in this case it was this little size here, because this size was too thick. Let me see if I can put them back to back here, but yeah, you can kind of see the thickness of them. But whatever the case is, as soon as that's over, these are pretty hard to kind of take off, so eventually you got to prime both sides, and then you get one of these little hooks, and you can pull it and it slides right off. Now it's time to just add this guy in, which is this side slips in, and then we put the intercooler in. Also, I had to end up taking off the bumper because you had to kind of cut from here to here, cut this out, maybe these pieces out too, to make it fit. Unfortunately, I cannot find my Dremel, so I'm trying to just hit it with some scissors and a knife. Hopefully that works. I'll get back to you guys when that happens. I just realized I forgot to tell you guys, but this is the big piece I cut off, and then of course there's like every other bits and piece. I believe this is from the driver's side, and then these little pieces are from the driver's side, the passenger side. I already put my bumper back on, but you guys can see that guy is right there sitting almost flush. I trimmed here with the Dremel, which looks kind of disgusting right now, but it's fresh. And of course I also trimmed on this side as well. I trimmed that little piece just to make sure to make clearance, and now I have some clearance. I don't know if I'm gonna put the bolts in here because I don't think it'll fit. I may just put the tray inside, but not bolted down. Other than that, these guys are in here like this. This guy's holding on strong. I already test drove in it. Holds boost. Now it's just time to leave it all placed together and see how everything goes. Alright, everything is back on the ground and everything is in. I said that I couldn't get these guys to get in. I did. It took a lot of massaging. Technically I put everything in, bolted it on to the tray first, and then I pushed in the bumper, and you guys can tell there's like almost no movement. Like right here's one of like the looser spots, because again I think making these reliefs here and on this side kind of helped, but it's alright. Y'all can see the intercooler. It looks very OEM because of the fact that I still have my mesh here and I didn't get like a tall one, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with my ARM Motorsports 7-inch intercooler, and guess who's going to Stage 1 Plus. Alright, hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, comment that down below. See you guys on the next one.